As you know, the Futurepump solar water pump is a reciprocating piston pump. There is a part known as the main shaft, which helps in converting the rotary motion of the flywheel to the reciprocating motion of the piston. This main shaft is placed inside the post, fixed to the cage. And the main shaft is held in position with the help of 3 bearings inside of the post. There are 2 bearings on the camshaft, which go inside the slot of the yoke. Today we are going to check the condition of these bearings. First, we need to check the 2 camshaft bearings. For that, you need to take the pump out of the cage to access the camshaft bearings. You need to check the following points: the actual free play, the smoothness of rotation of the bearing, and noise of the bearing. To check the actual free play, pull the outer race of the bearings, as shown in the video. If you're able to move the outer race, then the bearing needs to be replaced. You can observe the comparison of a good and worn bearing. Then smoothness of the rotation of the bearing. Rotate the bearing and check if the bearing gets stuck or you feel any jerking while rotating the bearing. Then noise of the bearing. Again, rotate the bearing and observe if you can hear any rattling or noisy sound. If there is, then the bearing needs to be replaced. Now let's check the main shaft bearings. First, observe if there's any wobble in the flywheel. As shown in the video, you can see a flywheel with wobble and without. If you could observe a wobble in the flywheel, it is very likely that the main shaft bearing on the flywheel side has been worn out or developed excessive free play.